Okay, so guys, I know it's been a long time since I've done anything. This is just, I finally found a bit good but a bit older video recording software that will eliminate issues with my voice syncing to my screen movements. So, ignore my messy desktop here, but this is a, this is build 10162 of Windows 10. Um, and I'm just going to kind of go over what all was changed. First of all, we have Microsoft Edge now, which um, used to be known as Project Spartan, and it's the official replacement for Internet Explorer, and it is very fast. Here's the current start menu. Um, they've changed a lot. It looks a lot better. It performs a lot better. The last version before this fixed 300 bugs and issues. Um, So yeah, this is what it's likely going to be like finalized as. They kind of polished off all of these menus here and other things. The performance is really good. I'm just gonna say this. I usually get 30 to 60 FPS with Minecraft without Optifine on Windows 7. For anyone who knows the terms that I'm saying, I can run Skyrim on low. Uh, and with Windows 10, I get like 120 FPS on Minecraft without any major modifications. So it's very resource efficient. It's an extremely resource efficient operating system. Um, and this is just kind of. I'm actually really excited because I just found out that Windows Insiders will get a free copy of this, and as well as Windows 7 and 8 users. So if you haven't done it yet, register now because it does come out July. It comes out July 29th. And if you don't register, it'll cost you exactly 110 or $19, I believe it is, for Windows 10 Home, and it'll cost you $199 for Windows 10 Pro, which in my case is what I want to use. So, um, there's not that much really to show here. I can show you this. Um, the the um the header, whatever it's called, the tile that you see when you clicked on this video, um, is what the login screen looks like now. They have that really awesome image there. And one more thing, guys, I'd like to showcase a little bit of how Cortana works. They finally fixed search, so let's say you want to go into percent app data percent. It's not difficult. It'll go right to the. So this works just like the Windows 7 file search, but at the same time, if you want to Bing something, such as pizza restaurants, and you press enter, it'll open this and it'll Bing it. So it's quite functional. Cortana works, but I'm not going to demonstrate her in this video right here. Just because I don't really feel like doing it. There is one or two bugs here and there. The store does not currently work, but I think that's because it's not, the servers for it aren't necessarily up yet, because they're really nearing like the release of Windows 10, so they're probably still working on that kind of stuff. But yeah, it's lightning fast and very functional. It works just like Windows 7, and at the same time, you have these absolutely lovely apps. Like, you have the news app, which I absolutely love these apps. I mean, like, Windows 8, they were a burden, but in Windows 10, they actually integrate really well. And another thing that I wanted to show you guys, let's say you know how, like, everyone always complained with Windows 8, well, a lot of people did, that you can't drag apps onto the desktop. Well, guess what, guys? Now you can. And as you can see right here, I have Microsoft Edge on the desktop, and I'm going to add the News app to the desktop. So let me just scroll down to News here and drag it right onto the desktop, and there it is. Works just like that. So for those of you who don't necessarily want to have all of your stuff going on here, you can just put them on the desktop, and they'll behave like the apps will behave just like regular Windows applications. So it's really nice. I also have Office Word 2016 here, just to show off. My free trial is over. Yeah, it wants to tell me that, but this is what Word 2016 looks like, for anyone who is interested. Also great. My trial expires in 29 days, because I'm not an Office 360 person. I'll also show... Well, PowerPoint and that are basically the same. The apps are a bit different now. Like, they kind of redesigned some of the apps here. The logos are different. Like, the music, movies, and TV apps are all new. That's brand new. And they've kind of redesigned everything a little bit. But it all works really nice. The calendar app, the mail app, the music app, etc. Store isn't currently working, but you know. Weather app I love. I actually happen to just totally love this app. I'm not going to put here, but you know, it's nice. So yeah, I would recommend everyone here upgrading to this. Unless you have some reason that you can't, because it's really a good operating system. So that's all for today. I apologize for the lack of videos for a long time, and there will not be any videos for the upcoming week because I will be going away for a week. That's all.